On my 16th birthday, my father, C.B. Clark, told me, "Life is very short, and we must not lose any time, for it is gone too soon." Dearest Papa worked hard for a living, setting a good example for our family. He was a Civil War soldier, one of the founders of a big local company, Kimberly and Clark, mayor of our hometown. He sent me adoring letters as he fought for women's suffrage in the Wisconsin Assembly and U.S. Congress, calling on me, his best big girl, to become a grand, good woman. He wrote, "Young women of the times must be more than their mothers or as men. They must be more." I know Papa would have been proud to see me graduate as one of only 7 women from Wells College in New York. Sadly, he died of Bright's disease less than a year earlier. I knew it was my duty to help build a thriving, healthy community. I devoted myself to this goal shortly after marrying. My love of reading, writing, and children made a public library my first priority. My love of arts and culture made an opera house next on the list. My greatest gift would be born of tragic events. Death came, all because we were without a local hospital. First to an ailing neighbor, then to a dear friend and her baby. As a pregnant woman, I wanted to ensure that even if I left this earth, I would continue helping others in my community. In my private instructions to my brother, C.B. Clark Jr., in my will, I said, "If I were to die in childbirth, use half my estate to build a hospital and a school of nursing to ensure access to health and care." On October 18, 1903, I gave birth to a healthy baby girl and carried on our family name of Theda. But my fate was not for me to decide. 3 days after my sweet baby came into the world, I died from complications of childbirth. I left my family this letter, only to be given in the event of my death. My husband, I hope that I am leaving you the greatest treasure that a woman can give to her husband, a child, to love you as long as you shall live. Teach our child to know me as mother somehow. Teach our child so much of good that the evil of life can find no place in its heart or head. I shall wait for you and try to watch over you somewhere. My vision for my community has been honored. On my daughter's 6th birthday, ThedaCare opened its first doors, ensuring care and health for generations of families to come. Over a century later, my legacy lives on in ThedaCare, with hospitals and clinics, physicians and staff, improving the health of the people in the communities I loved.